DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Okay, this is a review of the Yardmax YSO 650, and I gotta tell you that this is the very best log splitter you can buy in this, class. So here's the box. Make note of that. And the first thing that I like about it is it's pretty. I mean, this thing's attractive. I like the way that the orange, the legs and everything. And then one of the features is you have this adjustment here where you can adjust where it stops, so you don't have to go all the way back and forward, which is really, really handy. And what else? Here's your switch to make it go. And one beautiful thing about this is something I was worried about is guys were saying that the on-off switch down here, you had to put something here, some kind of a clamp or something to keep it on all the time. But this one stays on, okay? And I've got some short pieces here that I'm going to do, but I'm going to cut all of these. I got a little log here. I'm going to cut them all to this length, and then I'll be able to, use the full power of this thing. But let me show you how it works real quick. I love this thing. This thing is cool, man. I spent a lot of research on it. I like this round thing here. It keeps shit down. I haven't sharpened this yet, but I might, with a grinder. And so far I haven't needed it. Some guys take an axe handle or part of an axe and, they weld it on here, probably about there, to, to make this more gradual. But let's check it out here. So all you do to turn it on is just push this button here, and it stays on. It stays on, kids. And so let's do this one, which is nice because you can hold it, you know what I mean? Look at that. And then I just, while it's still in here, do the other parts. Ooh. There we go. I mean, this is a knotty piece of wood, and right here you can put a log, and so it'll go for a ride. There you go, look at this thing. Split that right away. I like to make them smaller because it's really green. That's as far as it'll go. And now we can do this one. Probably there. Crunch. So anyway, it's really cool, I mean, this is a funky log right here. It might be a little long. Let's see if she'll do this one. Take part of it off anyway. Yeah, I gotta cut some off of that. By the way, this is one of the best things I've ever bought. A GTA 20? This thing rocks, man. They're both orange. Look at that. But you really want this. This is the... I've looked at all of them. I checked them all out. And this is the best one. Now you can go for a ride. About there. I'm going to miss it. Right there. There's some really naughty wood. I imagine if you had better wood, it would, you know. Let's see what happens here. Probably split this one in half too. I need kindling. So this is the kind. I didn't even put the wheels on. I just put it up on a couple blocks like that. And it's working great, you know. Wonder if it'll do this one. This one's all funky, you know. But it probably will, you know. So you got your stop here, and then when I do shorter ones, I'll probably move the stop. Now this is a little bit tricky to do because you got to push it, get the ram all the way in and then out, and then when it releases, you got to kind of do this with one hand and find the spot and tighten it down real good. Now here's another trick you can use. Let's say you got a short log, right? You can just take a spacer, and I made one out of this log here, and you know, split it that way. So let's try that. See that? And that way with the spacer you can come all the way up to the wedge too. So by the way, if you like this video, if you like our videos, please subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 users. And you know, like the video so we can do better. Thank you very much. But other than that, this thing's beautiful. I love this fucking thing. I'm gonna give it an 11 rating. It's the very best one you can buy. It's about 340 bucks. So look at that, got an eagle. Alright guys, that's it. If you're gonna buy one, buy this one. Look at how pretty that thing is. Oh, you can put wheels on it, and then you got a handle here to roll it around and all that other good shit. Okay, that's it.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.